Welcome to my channel, Netgear Nighthawk EAX80 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender. Remove the EAX80 from its packaging and place it halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Ensure it's in an open space for the best signal. Plug the extender into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. This indicates the device is powered on and ready. On your computer or mobile device, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network name, SSID, typically something like Netgear EAX80. Launch a web browser and you should be automatically redirected to the setup page. If not, manually enter www.mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1250 in the address bar. If this is your first time setting up, create a Netgear account. If you already have an account, log in to proceed with the setup. The setup wizard will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your router's network from the list and click Next. Input your existing Wi-Fi password to connect the extender to your router's network. Ensure the password is entered correctly to avoid connection issues. The extender will test the connection. If the signal strength is weak, you might need to move the extender closer to your router for optimal performance. Once the setup is complete, connect your devices to the new extended network. Test the connection in different areas to ensure the extender is working as expected. Thank you for watching.